Hi everyone, it's Leah from Sunshine. Today I will introduce you this new items folding chair. You can see it's used the new material. It's leather. It can be removed. So if you use it when broken, we can change it to a new one. You can see here. You can put your logo to print on the back, the tube. This flame is aluminum. It's very light and looked very luxury. When we sit on the chair, you can see it's very soft, very comfortable. Okay, so if you don't like this leather material, we can change Oxford fabric. So if you want to get more information about this folding chair, just let us know. Okay, so